If you need me, let me know.
Okay, so in this episode of Gav Details, we're going to be giving the Auto Fanatic 007 Snowstorm car shampoo a try. We're going to put 2 ounces in a Amazon Matte CC foam can with the upgraded orifice, and I would say we have just under 700 milliliters of water, a little bit more than halfway. So here we go, 2 ounces. Shampoo is thick, it's somewhat clear, so you can't really see it there, but we'll let the measuring cup drain there. So, foam your car or truck always with the paint cool to the touch. Do not allow product to dry on the surface in direct sun. Foam the surface starting at the top and overlap each panel towards the lower sections of your vehicle. Let the foam dwell for several minutes and continue your wash method of choice. For fanatics who wash their cars several times a week in pollen and dusty prone regions, this becomes an easiest and best maintenance wash you'll ever use. So you can also use it in a 2-bucket method. I'm not using it in the bucket today, just going to see how it foams as a pre-treatment. The truck has not been washed in about 3 weeks, so it's pretty dirty. It is in direct sunlight, so I'm going to foam the passenger side, which is in the shade. This is a pH balanced formula to retain existing ceramic coatings, which I have on my truck, waxes and sealants. Amazing self-cleaning properties to gently remove surface contaminants to help reduce wash-induced scratches and swirls. Ultra-thick foam offers a 2-stage cleaning process, enhances gloss and protection on all surfaces using the 007 Gloss Enhancer polymers. So, like I said, we're filling it in the house. I don't like working with an audience, so because I live in a townhouse, that type of thing happens. So I may try a voiceover. I may just come back at the end of the video and give you my thoughts, but I'm going to show you dirt and build up from driving in the rain back and forth to work for 3 weeks on the truck, and then we'll foam the truck and see if, like the wheel cleaner, if it pulls off surface dirt that you are able to see in the foam on the ground. So here's the first attempt at a voiceover. So we're seeing some dirt and some bugs on the mirror, the lower section of the truck. You can see here just typical driving dirt. The truck is ceramic coated, so and it is a light color, so it does not show much dirt even when it's very dirty. You can see how dirty the side step is. So if you notice, the wheels are already clean. I'm just trying to show whatever I can through the GoPro here. You can see on the windshield, trying to show some bug guts, and after a little bit of rain, we've got some dirty water spots here on the hood, and then you might be able to see some bugs on the windshield here. So instead of hearing the annoying electric pressure washer here, here's a voiceover. So here we are foaming the truck. The initial reaction or observation is that the foam goes on thick. Even on a ceramic coated truck, it does clean pretty good. So I'm making sure to get the side step, which did show a little bit of dirt. Here I come from the front here and off to the back, and then I will be coming around to hit the front of the grill. So here I'm going to pick up the camera and show a first-person view of foaming the fender. And it was at the very end of the foam cannon bottle, so you can see how thick it goes. I'll concentrate the foam in one spot, and then it kind of ran out, so then that's why it starts to get a little bit watered down. So here we start to show how the foam is doing as it dwells. You can see not too much can be seen in the foam on the ground, to be honest. Like I said, the truck doesn't hold a lot. You can see a little bit of like yellowing there. We don't have a lot of pollen in this area, so I'm not really worried about like a bunch of, sediment or dust sitting in the foam. I'm just trying to walk around here and then check the driver's side. Again, I saw a little bit in the foam, first-person view. The lighting in the GoPro doesn't quite pick it up. Like I said, the wheels are clean, so there's no brake dust running off of that. So here, the snowstorm has been fully rinsed off, only as a pre-treatment. I have not used the 007 gloss enhancer yet, but since the label does say that the polymers are included in the soap, you can definitely tell, even with the lower sections of the doors, the truck still beads the water pretty good. Right here, I'm just trying to see if there's much dirt left on the mirror cap. The bug debris that's left over, obviously that needs to be washed off. But even on the hood, I cannot see the dirty water spots. So this is still after just the pre-soak. One thing to mention, even though I foamed the truck with Honeydew Snow Foam and washed with CarPro Reset, the slickness on the surface is definitely something to note. So for this episode of Gav Details, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And for more detailing videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.